So the birds and rabbits have been eating my veggie patch. They've been attacking it every day and having a great old time. We're gonna get that fixed. So stay tuned, I'll show you how. This one's been completely decimated. Just planted some pineapples in here yesterday. First things first, I've marked it out so that the dowel will go in every metre. So all up, there's 16 dowels, 4 on either side of both veggie patches. The poly will go over the top of that. So I'm gonna go through and drill the holes out for the dowel to go into now. So all those holes have been drilled now. I'm gonna get my dowel, put a little bit silicone around the end of it so it seals it. I'm gonna put them in all the holes. So for the dowel, I'm actually using the 19mm dowel. And I'm gonna cut them in lengths of 30 centimeters. So there's enough to go into the wood in the veggie patch and enough to stick out for the black pipe to go over the top of it. So we're gonna cut those now. I need 16 in total. My Triton Workcentre has been set up to cut everything at 30 centimeters exactly. That really does make it a lot faster. Not too bad for a little afternoon project. Definitely getting it done. We're gonna let those dry overnight. I'll come back out and I'll get it finished. The poly I'm using today to form the archway across the veggie patch is going to be a 25mm black poly. That way, the 19mm dowel can fit inside of it by about 25 centimeters or 250mm. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut ourselves 8 pieces of it. I've already started, so I've cut about 6, so I only have a couple to go. There we go, that's the last one. Just going through and cutting some small tags. So when I have it on the veggie patch wood, I can actually screw it onto the wood. So when that sits on, it's going to sit like that, and I'm just going to screw it down to the veggie patch. Oh, good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Hello, baby. Good boy. All sorted. So I'm going to be using this anti-bird net. I'm going to be popping it over the top. I think it's going to work a treat. Well, it's safe to say this one is too small. We'll get a bigger one from Bunnings and we'll be all sorted. So a couple of days later and a little bit of rain, no more rabbits going to be in my veggie patch, and there's going to be no birds swooping down either. They're all covered, nice and tight. It's come up really well, super happy with that result. Guys, if you want to try something that's cheap, under $100 to protect your veggies during summer or winter, this is definitely the way to go.